Well, I hope that was a shot worth getting my feet wet. Yeah. If you like this content, feel free to like and subscribe. Help my channel grow and help me get out here. I really hope this shot was worth getting my feet wet. That's cold water. Okay guys, I'm gonna go find some more pictures. Stay tuned.
day. last without grace. I've learned how to lose. I'm on the tack that brings me back to you. I don't know, but I'm told that the truth is stranger than fiction. An ominous, anonymous message we'll miss. Can a Jesus freak speak with no obvious conviction? I'll take it from you, I'm part of this. Did you ever dream of peace in our time? You couldn't keep your people in line. Maybe we should try and spend a little more time together, together, together. Somewhere, someone crash dive their life, making peace like there was no tomorrow. I know, 'cause I saw the last days of Earth as it creaked inside, sank and died alone. There's a letter in the sand and it's signed, sealed and scented. An asinine line someone forgot to send to the only true blue that the human race invented. 'Cause all of our hearts, world without end. Did you ever dream of peace in our time? You couldn't keep your people in line. Maybe we should try and spend a little more time together, together, together. Did you ever dream of peace in our time?